Hi, welcome to everybody in my channel. Today we have a new papers cohort board KPK board. We try to solve mathematics paper from the 9th class. Question paper is question number 1. Solve the system of equation x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 3x minus y is equal to 3. We try to solve this system of equation by Crammer rule. So first of all, we write the given system in matrix form. In matrix notation, how we can write. So the given system, we write the coefficient of the variable of each variable x and y, and here in the first equation is the coefficient is 1 and here is 2, similarly 3 and minus 1, and we write small letters of the variables, so is equal to 8 and 3. According to the rules here, first of all we can give the name. Let's suppose that this matrix is equal to capital A matrix A 1 2 and 3 minus 1. Now and we give, and here x is equal to x and y, but and here b is equal to 8 and 3. Now according to the Crammer rules, using and here using Crammer rules for the matrix notation as equal to ax determinant divided by a determinant. Similarly, if we are finding for the y value, so ay determinant divided by a determinant. This is the Crammer rules. First of all, we check Crammer rule is exist or not. So first of all, we find a determinant. So here a determinant is equal to, we can write 1 2 3 and minus 1. So according to the formula AD minus BC, if we consider this term is A and B and C and D, we substitute and we plug the values in here. 1 into minus 1 minus 2 into 3. So now we multiply to each other, and here the first term we get minus 1 and minus 6 is equal to minus 7 is not equal to 0. It means that a determinant for the is equal to minus 7. So A is a non-singular matrix, so Crammer rule is exist. So now we are finding in here Ax. First we find Ax. What is Ax in here? It means that from the first column we replace by B values, and here the B values we put in here 8 and 3, 8 in 3 and 2 and minus 1. And here we can write replace column 1 by B values, So now according to the formula of the determinant AD minus BC, the same formula, and here we are using 8 into minus 1 and minus 2 into 3. So the result we get minus 8 is minus 6 is equal to minus 14. And AY determinant so is equal to, now we replace second column 1 and 3. Second column is replaced by the B values 3, 8 and 3. Replace column 2 by B values. So again we get in here AY is a determinant is equal to AD minus BC. The same formula here, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 8, C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 3. Now we Substitute the values of a, b, c in the given formula. So 1 into 3 minus b, and here minus b is equal to 8 and c is equal to 3. So we get 3 minus 24 is equal to minus 21. According to the Crammer rules, we substitute these two results in the formula ax determinant divided by a determinant. So ax determinant we get in here minus 14 divided by minus 7. So both are cancelled, minus minus is also cancelled, we get 2. Similarly, if we find the value of ay determinant divided by a determinant, so the result we get in here minus 21 divided by minus 7. So both are cancelled, we get the result is 3. So these are the results. If we want to verify our answer is correct or not, so we substitute these two results in a first or the second equation. Put these two results in the first equation. Check x plus 2y is equal to 8. Now x we get in here 2 plus 2 and 2 3, and y is 3 is equal to 8. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 2 plus 6 we get 8 is equal to 8. Yes, our solution is correct. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is the solution set of y and x and y. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.